Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we're going to do our very last August monthly niche idea series, and we only have one random niche left in the wheel of names. But if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We're gonna go over to the wheel of names and go ahead and just, spin. We know it's the sunflower. We know we're gonna do a journal cover, but let's celebrate anyway. Woohoo! Here comes the fireworks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. I'm gonna go ahead and close the wheel of names. We're gonna jump over to our handy dandy journal cover over here in Canva. I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger. And the keyword is sunflowers. It is August. We're getting into those almost fall colors. Let's see what color can we get. A nice little burnt, but not really burnt orange, but giving you fall vibes, but not really fall vibes. Maybe some green, I don't know. Let's see what we can find. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so let's go see what type of sunflowers we can find under elements. And we have sunflower fields. Let's see what that's looking like. Let's see if that's something I can rock with. Let's see what kind of effects to make it like blend that we can do. I don't know if I like that. So we're gonna play around with some things. This is a really pretty sunflower, just like, that's gorgeous right there. So let me go ahead and get my line. If I can find the middle. But that sunflower there is gorgeous. All right, so I always put the line in the middle just to help me find the middle of the journal. And I'm gonna put that sunflower right there. I really don't feel like it needs, I don't think it needs a title. It just looks like it's coming off the page. Wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's like breathtaking. I'm gonna go ahead and make this closer. And I think this is going to be it. This is the cover. Of course, just FYI, if you ever just want to put a picture on a journal cover, you must at least have the word journal or whatever the title is on the spine. And it has to be more than 100 pages, 101 or something, 110 to get an actual journal spine. So little keynote that you should know. But I really just love the simplicity of this cover. So I'm going to leave it as that. And that is our last monthly niche idea. Research for a journal cover in the keyword sunflower. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video.